Hey everybody, it's been a while since I made a video over a minute. This one's done. The thing today is got really lucky. I got two of these brand new batteries for 125 bucks a piece. Check them out. Alright, so let's go and look at the other camper. Hanging on to this one right now for a little bit. I need it for a trip to Galveston in a couple of months. So this one, been working on it a little bit in my spare time when I have time. A little dusty because I've been sanding. Got the countertop in. That's the same battery as, or same brand as, this is my other one that I got, 125 bucks a piece. Those are $500, $520 a piece. So anyway, I'm using a small one here for this, and I guess I could get all the way to the back, but so this is a 5x8, 5 this way, 8 that way, and notice right there on the floor it goes out, starts curving up right about there where you see the bend joint in the wood. Where's the bed? This won't allow my bed to go all the way back, so I could have a 6-foot bed in here. And it's only going to come to the door. So you'll be able to sit here, do your shoes and stuff, pants, whatever, and still have you can put a little footstool here to sit on if you want to use this actually as a desk. It's more of a catch-all. And you can see where I'm got my tools just, and my junk's just kind of hanging in there, waiting for the next part of it. And I got these where they're super easy to take out. You just lift them up. My battery's too fat. So if you wanted to, I suppose you could put a shelf in there, but that's up to whoever the lucky person is that gets it. They can do whatever they want. All right, 5x8. Actually, it's 5x11. 5x11 teardrop. Haven't given it a name yet. I'm saving up all my videos so that I can make a full-length video of the whole trailer being built, and hopes of I'll be able to edit by then. Still learning to edit. All right, see y'all soon. Thanks for watching.